Do you have some eggs and tomatoes? Here is some quick, delicious recipe you can make under 5 minutes. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Nova, back again with another video. Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be your host for today, and today we are going to be looking at how to make a quick, delicious omelet. You might be out there bored, but having some eggs and tomatoes in your kitchen, let us put them to use now as I teach you how to make this quick recipe. But, I repeat, if you are new to this channel, please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out whenever we post a new video, share and comment down below. Let's get to 500 subscribers. Today's ingredients, we're going to need tomatoes, eggs, salt, black pepper, Italian herbs, and cheese. Alright, let's get into the video. Now for the start, we slice some tomatoes into smaller slices and put them on the side. In a bowl, you're going to crack 3 eggs. And in them add some salt for taste. Then also add black pepper, Italian herbs, and begin whisking. Now that we're done with whisking, we are going to grate 50 grams of cheese on the side. Add olive oil on a preheated pan and spread it evenly on the pan. Then add our sliced tomatoes on it and allow them to cook on low heat. Not that, please. After some time, flip the tomatoes slices on the other side to allow them to cook too. We are doing it slow, flipping one by one. You don't want to mess up this recipe. Our tomatoes are ready, so we are going to pour in our eggs on top of the tomatoes, and all this is still frying on low heat. Then add our grated cheese on top and cover up. Our omelet is finally done, and it came out pretty good. Bon appetit! I'm so excited to try it out. Don't forget to let me know in the comments whether you managed to recreate it, and if you did, how did it taste? Also, don't forget we are doing a post notification shutout. If you want to be mentioned in the next video, what you have to do is drop a comment and add hashtag post notification. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new, like the video, and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out whenever we post a new video. Share the video and comment what I should make next. Thanks for watching. We appreciate, we love you. Stay safe, stay awesome. Am out. Peace.